Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Net Framework 3.5 error you're getting with the 0x800f081f installation error. So if you're getting errors as Windows cannot find or download the requested files you needed to install Net Framework. So we're going to go into hopefully resolving the problem without too much of a hassle here. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Left click on the Start button one time. Type in Windows Features. Best match should come back with Turn Windows Features on or off. Left click on that. Give it a second to load up the screen here. Now, where it says Net Framework 4.7, you want to uncheck this box. So if it's currently filled in, just want to uncheck it so it's just an empty box here. And now you want to select Net Framework 3.5 and then left click on OK. And then you want to select Let Windows Update download the files for you. So once that's done, it should say Windows completed the requested changes. Windows needs to reboot your PC to finish installing the requested changes. Left click on Restart Now, and you should be good to go once you have restarted your computer. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial.